so many times people think that it's about complex recipes or things that are really, really involved. And the heart of making food is just that we've done it forever, and let's just make it as accessible and delicious and flavorful as possible. So we go into technique, we go into flavor development, how to add more acid and when to add more salt, and kind of weaving these pieces together so that we're not just following recipes, but we're following guidelines of intuitive taste.
It was great. It was fantastic. It's much more than a cooking class. It's nourishing in the broadest sense of the term. All the instructors were incredibly talented, professional, experienced.
My approach to cooking is largely informed with my background in culinary arts, but also my background in herbalism, Ayurveda, and women's medicine. I do a lot of work with food and how we can make it delicious and make it from scratch in the way that our great grandmothers would recognize it, ingredients that are whole food based, but making food that also harmonizes with our innate biology. So eating in a way that supports us feeling our very best is really important to me.
These were skills and recipes and techniques that you could take home and use immediately in your day-to-day life. And it wasn't so overwhelming that you felt like, ugh, I'm never going to do that. So we made an Italian sausage that included chicken livers, for example, because organ meats are very, very high in minerals and things that are good for you. A lot of people won't eat them because they don't like the way they taste, but this was included in this yummy sausage that's super easy to make, pop in your freezer, and then you use it like as the base for a pasta sauce or for tacos or the things that you're going to make all the time anyway.
One of my favorite parts about teaching this program at Wild Abundance is that we're outside the whole day. So the kitchen is an outdoor kitchen. Just outside this kitchen is the garden where some of the produce is coming from. You're feeling the breeze the whole time that you're here. Guest teachers are teaching about wild food harvesting, talking about fermentation, talking about nutrition, weaving in all of the different facets of what nourishment really is.
I think it was amazing. I've taken a couple of other courses in Kearsley, and being able to do it hands-on was huge. It's leaving me feeling more inspired to go back into my daily work, and like it's revitalizing me.
There were women in this class from all different ages, all the way from like early 20s. I was the eldest, I'm 73. And so we got to talk about all the different phases of life that women experience and supporting and maintaining health and a sense of vibrancy and energy in the world.
I felt really excited to do this retreat for women because women are so often the ones who are giving to others, and to learn how to slow down and nourish ourselves. This is an essential skill set for the times that we're living in.